Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace the propellers of the Hover Air X1 Pro Max. Now, these replacement propellers are not yet available on the Hover Air website, and I did have to order them directly from them by reaching out to their customer service. But the official repair kit for the Pro Series will be available for purchase soon. The set that I have here did not come with any screws or screwdriver, but I do have the screwdriver that was included with the repair kit for the original Air X1, which, by the way, if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out here. So before you get started, you're going to need a T4 Torx screwdriver to remove all of the screws. The first thing you want to do is place the Pro Max on its back and make sure that you have it on a flat surface. Next, you're going to remove all 9 screws that are on the bottom of each protective guard. You might want to place the screws in a small box or somewhere where they won't get lost. As you can see, they're very small and you can easily lose sight of them. After you've removed the screws, you're going to carefully lift up the bottom part of the protective guard. Now the next part is very important. You want to make sure that you install each propeller in the proper direction that they go in. The easiest way to do this is to find the propeller that matches the ones that are currently installed. Next, you're going to remove the 3 screws that connect the propeller to the motor. Carefully install the new one, making sure that the screw holes match the ones on the motor. Replace the 3 screws without over tightening them. If you do, they won't spin smoothly and you risk the chance of running into issues where it can't take off. Once all propellers have been installed properly, you can reinstall the protective guard. And that's basically it. You're done. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.